Well, hey everyone, it's the Eurobandit here once again, and today I'm gonna do an all-star cold start on one of my cars, which is a 2001 VW Golf Mark IV with the 1.6 liter engine on 105 horsepower. The car has been sitting completely untouched for well over 1 month. Without further ado, let's see how it does.
And here we have it. Well, what you can see of it. So, if the battery is good, it should definitely start. Temperature is basically a joke. It's only around plus 2 degrees Celsius right now. Let's see if there's a door somewhere. Things set for around 1 month, if not more. Oh yeah, it's pretty deep. Alright, I'll take the shovel and dig it out of here. Alright, there is a door after all. Before I proceed any further, I need to know if the thing starts or not. Oh nice, the lock isn't frozen. Center locking works. Alright. Let's see if it starts. Fan off. Alright. Fire in the hole. Oh yeah, not a problem. Cool. Nice. Now I just need to shovel the rest of the snow while it warms up. Oh yeah, the mild weather makes it quite easy actually. Finally unstuck. It was pretty hard because it dug itself into the snow and then into the gravel. Alright, finally unstuck after over 1 hour of shoveling. Doesn't have the best inner tires either, but they're acceptable enough. Here's an overview of it. Pretty sure I'll make another video of it. If not, then this will be pretty much it. Nothing special, just a standard Golf 4 winter beater. Does the job. Perfect for this weather where there's a ton of salt on the road.
And that's pretty much it. It wasn't an easy task taking it out, but it was definitely fun. And with all that being said, now I'm gonna end this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, why not thumbs up. Check out my other videos, and if you like what I'm doing, why not subscribe, and I'll definitely see you next time. Cheers!